Yo, what's up? Playing stuff in the background. Let me turn that off real quick. Alright, so I'm on my Melco and I'm doing the maintenance and I want to just show this little trick I found out. You know, oh, if you haven't subscribed, you can do that if you want to. You know the maintenance step? Let me show you real quick. You know that maintenance step right there? Where you're supposed to clean right in here? You gotta put oil right in here. Well, I'm gonna show you something real quick. You put your oil down through here. But you know when you put this here to put your little oil stick in here? Yeah, I don't do that. Because of that little circuit board right here, I don't mess with that. I don't put my oil stick don't go nowhere near that little thing. So what I found out that if you come back here, you can literally access those same pins from back here. See, there's oil the pins from back here. And this is where I've been oiling my pins. There are the pins right there. See them? You can oil them from back here. And this is where I've been oiling mine. All the way across. And when you finish, you just move this over. The string moves over and just oil the other ones from back there. Quick tip. Alright? Peace.